What is the difference between a nautical mile and a regular mile used on land? Well, first I gotta explain why there's a difference, and it actually has to do with navigation. So you see, sailors use coordinates, right? And the Earth is split up into 180 degrees of latitude. So those are the horizontal cuts, if you will, by which you measure how north or how south you are. And then each degree is 60 minutes. And the definition of a nautical mile is that it is the measure of 1 minute. And so that is about 6,076 feet, whereas a regular mile used on land doesn't need to have that specificness for just normal land travel. So it is only 5,280 feet for the ones used on land. Now I will mention why nautical mile is specifically based on latitude and not based on longitude. Because longitude are the vertical lines that cut up the Earth at 180 degrees as well, and you use those to measure how east or how west you are. So why can't you use that for the definition of a nautical mile? And it has to do with the curvature of the Earth, because the lines of longitude are closer together at the poles versus at the equator. So that curve and that widening of those lines makes it inconsistent. So therefore a nautical mile cannot be based on that because it's different from where you are on the Earth. But latitude, all of the gaps are consistent with each other, and that's why the nautical mile is based on that. One bonus measurement. You'll often hear us say, oh, the wind is 7 knots. We were motoring at 5 knots. But what are knots? And not the rope kinds. So knots stands for nautical miles per hour. So it's just a measurement for speed, nautical miles per hour. And I wanted to clear that up too because we use it a ton in our videos and it's very important in sailor lingo. So hopefully that all helped.